Good morning. Welcome back to the Action News 5 Digital Desk. There is a really cool event that is happening later this month. It is called a sports-themed hackathon, and it's combining all kinds of different things: athletics, tech, innovation. It's going to be on the campus at the University of Memphis. It's going to be at the FedEx Institute of Technology, and this is for middle and high school students. It's happening later this month. It begins July 17th. I'm joined on the Action News 5 Digital Desk by Audrey Willis. She is from CodeCrew that is putting on this event. I'm very curious to learn more about it. Audrey, good morning to you. Tell me all about it. What you got?
Good morning. So next week, we will be kicking off our Hustle and Code Hackathon. This is one of the first of its kind. CodeCrew is on its 11th hackathon. So we're really excited this year to do something different. And so this year we'll be combining sports and tech and showing our kids a different purview into the sports career.
I'm so curious into this, Audrey. Tell me first off, many of our viewers, we have thousands that watch us each and every morning here on the Action News 5 Digital Desk. What is a hackathon? How many people are you expecting to have there? And what do participants get out of an experience like this?
Awesome. So a hackathon, contrary to popular belief, is not a bunch of kids sitting in and hacking into the IRS. So scratch that. It is get together for a short period of time. You have a problem and you come together with different types of people. Some can be developers, some can be creatives, some can be digital artists, but you get together to solve a solution over a short period of time. So essentially, that's what a hackathon is. So the first day is going to kick off. The kids are going to get kind of a menu of things that they can be using, from VR headsets to tech wearables. They're going to hear from people at Regional One, people at Smith and Nephew, to hear about how they use technology to solve problems with your body and become better decision makers when it comes to your health. Then that second day, the kids are going to get busy. And when I say they take it serious, they take it absolutely serious. You can almost hear pin drop in the room because the kids are, for one, excited, but then they also know about the prizes that are going to drop on Saturday. And so we've secured things from Meta glasses to Apple Watches. There's some gift cards in there. And so we'll have a huge judging in a Shark Tank style. So the kids will be able to present these ideas. And so a lot of the kids that have actually won our hackathon have gone on to win the Congressional App Challenge. So that's a national program. And Steve Cohen's been so instrumental in helping CodeCrew and supporting us in these efforts. But there's real prizes that are available for these kids for winning the hackathon.
It sounds amazing, and we're talking about 300 middle and high school students. Is that right?
Well, we're expecting. So last
Okay.
check, I saw that there were 125 kids signed up. And we know how people will wait to the last minute to sign up. And so with a week out, we're expecting a lot more to sign up. And so far, we've
Yeah.
already crushed all of our previous hackathon records. So we're already expecting this to be the biggest Code Crew hackathon ever.
Great. Let me ask you about the kind of student that shows up to this event. Is this someone who is big into STEM? Is it someone who's big into entrepreneurship? Is it someone who's big into writing code and developing apps? Tell me about the profile, if you will, of the student.
Well, actually, there's no profile. The wonderful thing about Code Crew is 80% of the kids that we see are seeing tech for the first time. They're writing their first line of code with us. So we create a way all kids can be involved. So they're learning in this process. That's the reason why we have that first day, so they can all be acclimated. And so we structure the teams where there's not a really heavy team of heavy coders or a really heavy team of creatives. There are a mixture of kids from different areas of the city. And it's a beautiful thing when they all come together with this common goal of creating tech with each other. And so it does not matter if you've been a Code Crew student since we started this organization organization 10 years ago, or this is your first time hearing about CodeCrew, there's going to be a space for you to have fun, be creative, and really include yourself and your thoughts in the process. So entrepreneurs, creatives, even if your kid just thinks they want to be a part of coding and STEM, bring them on out.
Tell me about why this is considered a sports themed hackathon. What makes it a little bit sports oriented?
So, one, Memphis is a sports town. We love the Grizzlies, we love the Redbirds, we love our Tigers. And so, this is our way of showing kids that there's more ways to get into sports than just actually playing basketball. When you look at the number of athletes that start out playing little league sports and they go into high school, they go into college, that funnel gets very slim when you get into professional sports. But a couple of years ago, when Moneyball came out, it really showed the public that there's a space for enjoying sports, but also having a technical lens on it. And so we're really trying to show students that there's more to sports than just playing basketball or swinging a baseball bat, that there are technical elements that make these athletes the strongest that they are. I mean, Steph Curry uses VR headsets to practice his shots and get better and better. And so different athletes will use physical therapists that will track data on their movements to be able to help them heal their bodies faster. And so we have to give the kids what they can be. And so we're presenting that to them next week.
Fantastic. Okay, so this is a sports-themed hackathon, July 17th through the 19th at the FedEx Institute of Technology on the campus of the University of Memphis. How much does it cost, and what else would you like to mention about this event, Audrey?
The Hustle and Code Hackathon is going to be a 3-day event from 9 to 4 o'clock Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's only $10. $10 covers your lunch, it covers your swag, it covers a really awesome experience. The Hustle Crew is going to be there. We've got some specials, well-known Memphis social media folks that are coming for judging, and it's going to be a fun event. And we're hoping that everybody in Memphis looks to their kid and say, hey, do you want to do this next week? And bring them on out.
Fantastic. Okay, Audrey Willis with CodeCrew talking about the sports theme hackathon, July 17th, 18th, and 19th on the campus at the University of Memphis. Appreciate your time on the digital desk. Thanks so much, and good luck on the hackathon.
Thank you so much for having me.
You got it. All right.